Exploit development is the process of identifying and exploiting vulnerabilities in software, hardware, or networks. It involves understanding how vulnerabilities are discovered and then creating code to take advantage of them. Exploit developers often use techniques such as buffer overflows, code injection, and privilege escalation to take control of a system or application. The goal of exploit development is to gain unauthorized access to a system or cause it to behave in unintended ways. Exploit development requires a deep understanding of programming languages, operating systems, and network protocols. It is often used by security researchers to demonstrate the impact of a vulnerability and help organizations understand the importance of patching and securing their systems. Exploit development can also be used for malicious purposes, such as hacking into systems for criminal activities or espionage. Ethical hackers and security professionals use exploit development to test and improve the security of systems and applications.